Hey, good afternoon, guys. Luke Gonzalez here from MarineMax. Today we're at the Grady-White booth here in Miami. We're standing right beside the brand new Grady-White 456 Canyon, the flagship model from Grady-White. It's an absolute tank of a boat, one of the biggest center consoles on the market, and surely one of the most comfortable ones as well. So you'll notice on the transom, this boat is powered by quad Yamaha 425 XTOs. Pushes this boat very, very nicely. You have also Seakeeper stabilizer on this vessel as well, diesel Fisher Panda generator to power all of your electronics and options that you have on the boat. Nice mezzanine style seating in the back here with air vents on the back, so when you're trolling or just hanging out watching the game on the big Garmin unit right here in the transom, you feel very comfortable and cool. The helm station here, it seats 4 wide, very, very comfortable. Could fit three giant Garmin screens, and you also have a Sportfish yacht-like quality cabin down there. It fits 4 or 5 very, very comfortably, and all of the features and options are actually hinted on this sign. You can kind of see a sneak peek of what it's going to look like down below. It's absolutely stunning. And then, lastly, moving forward to the bow area, where you have a giant sun pad style seating above the console here. And then you also have 2 style seating on either side with lifting tables that can go down to make a sun pad as well. Then you also have the giant bow shade that's deployed at the moment, but can be taken off very, very easily. And that's basically a quick walkthrough of the brand new 456 from Grady-White Canyon. Obviously, there's many more things to go over, but this was the time we had, so hope you guys enjoyed it.